Hello, this is Dan the Furniture Repairman. Today we're going to pop these carvings. They look a little flat here. We're going to give it some depth. I'm going to use a toner from Mohawk. The color I'm using is Mason Brown, but you could use any color you like. And you can see I tape it to this handle I like to use. I have a little bit of color already on my table, and I'm going to work my carvings along with my color. Now, you could spray it on with the toner right out of the can here, and then we're going to back it off. It gets a little heavy. What I like to do is I like to use my spray gun. So how do you get the toner in the spray gun? Well, you spray it into the spray gun. You spray it into the cup, and then you just get enough in there to work with. You don't need too much. And then after that, you tune your gun way down, and you're just kind of using it like an airbrush, and you're going to add it in to the curves. And what we want to do is we want to get it into the low areas. The high areas we're going to clean back off and have them stand out. But I'm kind of just working nice and slow. Once it's on there, you have to remove the highs. Now you could sand it, but since I'm working with a lacquer-based toner, I can just use acetone. So I'm just using acetone and I'm wiping this down like this. And the reason why I like this technique is it does give it a lot of color movement. There's highs and there's lows, and it definitely gives it like more of an antique feel to it. And you can see now how this is really developing a lot more depth to it. Now after that, I'm going to coat it with my clear sealer, and if you're happy with the way this looks, this is where you stop. Now we're bringing this table much darker, so I'm coming back with a can of toner, same color, Mason Brown, and I'm working on the edge of the piece, and I'm just kind of adding color. And you can see how I part way around the piece, and you can see the jack stand I have there to lift my table up in the air, and this is where we're at now. And again, if this is where your color you want to be, go ahead and stop there. Now, I work at color in stages. I tend to go one step at a time until I reach the color that I really want to be at. And this is looking beautiful, but I have to darken my piece. So this is my final piece here with a splash of red in it. And these edges now look big and beautiful and bold. I'm very happy with the way everything looks. This is Dan, the Furniture Repairman. Thank you so much for watching. You all have a good day.